Let's make Creole pasta.
Okay, so now I'm going to make some Creole pasta. And we have the pasta already ready that we made inside of the Instant Pot. Just set that aside. But now we're just going to make our sauce to go over it, right? So I have some olive oil here. And I have some peppers. We're going to go with because it's Creole, we're going to go with the trio, holy trinity of Creole cooking, which is peppers, onions, celery, and of course, I'm going to put some garlic in it too. And I like to really use a bunch of these vegetables because, you know, it's vegan, right? You want to really use up your vegetables. You don't want to just be afraid of vegetables if you're vegan. You want to use your vegetables. If you're cooking vegan, you use your vegetables. I'm going to saute that. And I have it on the saute setting on my Instant Pot. I'm going to put some smoked paprika in there. Some Cajun seasoning. Now, the Cajun seasoning has its own salt, so I'm not going to use any extra salt because sometimes it can be a little salty. I'm going to use some fresh tomatoes. It's starting to smell really good. A little parsley that's dried, or you can use fresh. Now, I have what they call seafood mushrooms. I'm going to use these. I'm going to rinse them off a bit. Whoa. So see how they look like little crab legs? Kind of all over the place. Now these you probably won't find at your regular supermarket. You have to find these at an Asian market. But you can also use white button mushrooms, portobello, something that you can find easily at the supermarket. That it's okay to use that as well. So we're going to saute this up as though the mushrooms are our meat. So maybe if you were making meat, Creole pasta, you might have chicken here. I'm using seafood mushrooms. Okay? And what's great about the seafood mushrooms, I think, I'll get them from the Asian market. They're already broken up. You don't have to chop them. You don't have to do anything. You just throw it inside. Okay, sauteing that. Beautiful inside. Look at that. That is colorful and gorgeous, and all that flavor is there. If you want it more spicy, you can add some hot sauce. So I have a bunch of spinach here that I want to put inside, and we know what happens with spinach, right? It cooks down. We're going to allow that to cook down. We can add some more spinach because I like my vegetables. I want to make it nice and spinachy, right? And that's going to add some extra moisture there as well. I'm going to add the cashew cream that I made because this is going to be a yummy cream sauce. Our vegetables are down there already making their own juice. I'm going to give you the liquid that you need. And I've added a lot of spinach, but it will cook down because, you know, it's spinach. And that's just what spinach does. Now, I am not adding any vegan cheese here. But if you wanted to add vegan cheese, you definitely could. You could add Parmesan, you could add mozzarella, you could add cheddar, and any vegan cheese that you wanted here. Let that cook down. I'm going to give it a minute to cook down. I want to add one more thing, and that is some mushroom seasoning. Give me 1 second. I'm going to add a little mushroom seasoning as well. This has a little salt in it, so you don't want to, and we already added the Cajun seasoning, so be careful here. There we go. Now we see our sauce is starting to form. Looking yummy. Liquids mixing with the cashew. And we're just going to put that on. Put that on pressure cook for, whoops. I'm going to turn it off of saute. Put it on pressure cook. 3 minutes on pressure. I'm going to put it on 3 minutes on pressure. We're going to let it release, and then our little pin will drop down. We'll be ready to check on our pasta. There we go. So the pin is down. Ooh, look at that. Yummy, creamy pasta. Oh, it looks so good. This is our Creole pasta sauce, right? So now I'm going to start putting in my pasta so it all mixes together. And of course, we made this pasta in the pasta demonstration, which you can check out how to make the pasta in the Instant Pot in a few short minutes. So here we go. This dish, all together with the pasta and the sauce, 25 minutes on the table. Look at that. Oh, Lord, that's beautiful. Mixing that all together. And I'm going to plate it for you. Spinach and mushrooms. Cajun pasta. Ooh, yum. Now let's plate that up. Ooh. Creole pasta. And it has mushrooms and spinach. This is made all from whole vegetables that you can find at your store. Nothing special to do here, 100% vegan. Ooh, that's gorgeous.